LG's new tone-free FN7 wireless earbuds still have the same germ-killing capabilities of previous models, thanks to the charging case's built-in UV light. But now, the company is adding active noise cancellation to the mix. Available as of today in South Korea and coming to other regions later this year, with pricing TBD, the FN7 look very similar to the FN6 earbuds. They've got silicone ear tips and a twist-fit vortex ribs design meant to maximize passive noise isolation. The tone-free FN7 buds have 3 microphones that monitor sound waves coming from all directions and eliminate background noise. With ANC activated, environmental noises are now almost completely neutralized, making every note and voice sound clearer, more natural, without losing the details from turning up the volume to maximum, LG said in its press release. Battery life is rated at up to 5 hours with ANC enabled and up to 7 with it switched off. With the case, it's a total of 15 hours with ANC on and 21 with it off. As with past models, these are tuned by Meridian and can recreate a realistic sound stage that simulates the experience of listening to real loudspeakers while also delivering vocals with pristine clarity, completely immersing the listener. LG offers a customization and says the bass on these is fuller and richer than before. The included UV charging case, by LG's claims, can get rid of 99.9% of E. coli and S. aureus bacteria on the earbuds in a mesh. The case now has an LED on the exterior to more clearly indicate remaining battery life. LG's latest buds face a wave of noise-cancelling competition, including the new Jabra Elite 85 tons, Bose's Quiet Comfort earbuds, the One More True Wireless ANC, and of course Apple's AirPods Pro. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.